Okay, we now in part 2 and your topic singer.
Singer is Nusrat. One of my friend told and Kavalis after his song YouTube. I feel very he's the most famous in our country as well as family loves his song. He's also he was a leading star. He won many life. Always enjoy listening while traveling.
On.
He had done in Pakistan, African countries. He starts since his childhood.
Okay,
So,
you spoke. First thing is you need to come up so that at least you. The first and most important to speak for minimum. That the second thing is you've got a variety of grammar. Me and my family. It should have been my love. Then you
so
said I listen to his of mistakes are there. This is after every sentence then you stop. So and practice these topics. Thing is minimum 1 minute. Speak less than that, you will be punished. Means now let's move on. Do singers role in your country?
singers plays very uh, they are integral to their songs, parties, ceremonies, and
Okay, so
so
their role is very
and very important in our.
using very limited vocabulary and structure. Come up with example. Do singers play in your country? Singers important to synonyms of these for singers. You can use musicians, walk, play, and perform or important. For important, you can use vital, crucial. Use a variety of words, right?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.